Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fun and delicious recipe, Okonomiyaki, often referred to as Japanese savory pancake. It's customizable, easy to make, and perfect for sharing. Whether you're cooking for one or throwing a party, this dish is a crowd pleaser. So grab your apron and let's get started. Begin by mixing the flour, dashi powder, egg, and tempura scraps, and lukewarm water in a bowl. This will form the base of our okonomiyaki. Chop the cabbage into fine pieces, about 1 cm in size, for the perfect texture and ease of mixing. If your pork is big, cut the pork into bite-sized pieces as well. Divide the batter into 2 portions. Using smaller bowls can help prevent overmixing and result in a fluffier okonomiyaki. To each portion of batter, add half the cabbage Feel free to experiment with additional fillings like seafood, cheese, mochi, or even kimchi. Today I'm making one simple one and other one for adding cheese, mochi, and mentaiko for extra flavor. Cook the pork in a pan until well done. Then mix it into each ball of butter. Add a little oil to the pan or use the oil rendered from the pork if sufficient. Pour the butter into the pan, shaping it into a round pancake. Cover and cook over medium low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the okonomiyaki and cook for another 5 minutes covered. This ensures it cooks through and gets a nice golden brown on both sides. Once cooked, transfer to a plate and it's time to decorate. Drizzle with okonomiyaki sauce and mayonnaise. Using a chopstick to create patterns with the mayonnaise adds a beautiful touch. Finish by sprinkling Bonito Flakes and optionally some green seaweed powder. The mix of flavors and texture is absolutely divine. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, a delightful okonomiyaki that's as fun to make as it is to eat. This dish truly embodies the spirit of okonomi, meaning as you like, so don't hesitate to get creative with the ingredients. Okonomiyaki is not just a meal, it's an experience perfect for enjoying with friends and family. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you love this recipe, please give us thumb up, subscribe for more, and share your okonomiyaki creation with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!